Welcome back to my channel, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cruising with Goldy. Guys, in today's video I'm going to show you the cabin which I promised you. Let's have a look how's my cabin look like. No, it's not such a huge cabin, but it is comfortable. Alright guys, this is the door. This is the key of that door, and when I open, this is what my cabin looks like. You can see my luggage is already packed. There is a dustbin, lot of bottles are there. Okay, this is the water bottles, very small, but it's okay. I don't have to do anything. There is two beds, one is down and one is up. Okay, and we also have a refrigerator over here, small refrigerator, you can see. Okay, now a charging station, some cabinets up there, something like this, boxes where you can keep your stuff, two beds, there is one light also up there, one holder over there to keep your stuff. Now the upper bunker bed is mine. So let's see. Hello everyone. Now let me take you to the washroom. Now, as you expected, because the room is so small, the washroom is also not huge. Okay, you can see the washroom. This is the floor, small shower. Okay, there's a mirror over there and a wash basin. That's it. My washroom is over. So it is a small washroom, not a very huge one. Now, to keep our stuff, we have a cabinet. This is mine. It's all empty because I'm leaving now. And if it's full, it will be like this. This belongs to my friend. So guys, this is my cabin, which is quite small. As you can see, we don't have any windows, but it is comfortable. And to spend 6 months, it is okay. You don't require a very bigger room because we don't need to cook. We just need to get ready and go to work. So that is quite comfortable. So I will see you in my next video. So please do subscribe to my channel, and bye from Cruising with Goldy. Bye bye.